Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, if you want your knot to not slip, then slip into some Slipknot Stretches on the path of the least resistance. The Slipknot is a way to secure your limb into the leash without having to induce extra tension in that limb to stay connected. Put your hand through the handle of one leash, then grab hold of the webbing. Now, pull that webbing back through the handle to form a big loop. This is your Slipknot. Put the loop around the arch of your right foot and pull the hardware end to tighten the loop. Now clip that clip to your other leash. Pull it under your right armpit and over your left shoulder. Bend your knee and lean forward as you take the slack out of the leash on your left side. Now, holding the leash taut, straighten your right leg and lean back to feel an amazing stretch along your posterior chain and in your low back. Once you've stretched the right leg, reverse the process to stretch out your left leg. All the bootstrap stretches can be done as Slipknot Stretches. Check your equipment before every workout. Stretch gently, don't bounce or force, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. Get a grip on yourself with Slipknot Stretches on the path of least resistance.